Love the way you wind it, coco. Like when you get it down so loco. Hi everyone, welcome back to my fitness journey, not Jersey. But I'm on the floor today. I've been having some back issues. About maybe 5 years ago, I got into a car accident. A drunk driver hit me, and now I have to live with back problems, back issues. I had a pulled muscle in my back and a pinched nerve. So every now and then that affects me. So that hula hooping that I did yesterday affected me. So I just have to get my body back to the norm and listen to my body basically, because I really wanted to work out, but I was like, nah. Then I went over to my grandfather's house, came back from his house, sat down on the couch, and something in me kept telling me, get up and do something. So I'm gonna actually do yoga. And shout out to one of my friends from high school. She actually encouraged me because I was feeling like crap, didn't want to do anything, was at my grandfather's house trying to use that as an excuse, and her messages to me just kept playing in my head. So shout out to you, because she's been watching. Thank you again. So I'm just gonna do some stretching right now, some yoga stuff that I've learned along the way. That's really not yoga, but it's my version. So I'm gonna actually try to focus more so on my back, because that's what's been bothering me. But I'm gonna stretch out all parts. So yeah, I don't know the names, so I can't tell you. I'll do some more research and then get back to you. And contrary to everybody's belief, yoga is exercise. I know this is tabletop. And then the cow and the something else, I forgot what it's called, the cat, I don't know. But yeah, I'm just gonna finish stretching. Child's pose. Ooh, my legs are stiff. I haven't been stretching like I'm supposed to. So I'm just gonna relax here for right now. Bad ankle, bad ankle. Try to hold it for at least 10 seconds. would talk about something, but I have no clue. It's like 11 o'clock at night. I'm tired, even though I haven't done anything. But when you're hurting, it makes you tired. So yeah. So this is day 5, and it's gonna just be stretching, basically. Opening up all my muscles before I go to bed. Because they hurt. Yeah. I need to get better with stretching before working out. I did not complete my fast. I started eating around 12, 1 o'clock-ish. But then, because I was over my grandfather's house, I ate a little bit. But then I came home and finished my food. And that was around 9:30, 10 o'clock, which sucks. And I ate an ice cream sandwich. I'm just gonna tell on myself. I'm just telling on myself, but I'm human, so. It was only one. Normally I eat 2 to 3 ice cream sandwiches because they're the small ones, but it was only one. I drank a Diet Pop and my sparkling water. I did not get my 100 ounces in because I wasn't feeling good at all. My back was hurting. And if you ever had a pinched nerve or anything like that, you know exactly how I'm feeling. It hurts so bad, but all we can do is stretch it. I'm gonna actually get back to my exercises tomorrow. I might go to the gym. I'm just trying to open up my back. But if I go to the gym, I still have to be mindful of my ankle and not my back, of course. I can't wait until my ankle gets better so that I can jump rope. Okay, I'm gonna do one more weird stretch, but it helps so bad, so good for my back. I'm actually gonna be right here. My knees are creaking. Just stretching. I know I'm upside down. I know. I need to strengthen my core muscles because that also helps with back pain. So, stretch for about almost 10 minutes. I will get back to working out tomorrow. So, see you guys then. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Throw some good juju in there for me because I need it, because today definitely was one of them days I wanted to just keep sitting on a couch, not do anything. But stretching is still something. So, bye.